Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing, and that will be for, we're in March? Yeah, March. So this is what the box looks like, and the theme is vacation. Cool. Comes with a lot of things. So in the box you get a pure eyeshadow palette, which has a retail price for $36. You get a let's see here, volumizing mascara, and that is from Butter London. You get under eye gels from South Main Beauty. The Vintage Cosmetic Company will send you a smoky eye makeup brush set. And from Pretty Vulgar, you are getting a Make Them Blush. Clever. So, and today I want to start off with eyes, and then I'll do the face, and then even demo the blush. So this is what the palette looks like. BoxyCharm Pure. Ooh. So, these are the coloring. Really nice. I'm really feeling like these peachy vibes with a little brown. Get these nice colors. Eyes, I am going to start with priming them. And I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Like so. And this is so your eyeshadows can have a base. And also it's good to conceal because that will make your eyelids just match everything. It won't have like the veins or any discoloration. And then this way you just have a fresh, clean slate to put on that shadow. Look. Okay. Like so. So I'm going to take this lightest shade right here. It's called Perfect. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And if you're wondering why my lips are looking so juicy and plump, is because I used the Too Faced Lips Injection. It is extreme, and it's basically a lip plumping gloss. With this Morphe R34 brush, this is what it looks like. It's a nice tapered. And I'm going to take Nike and just put that on my crease gently. These shadows are nice. They're very pigmented, so I do like that. Okay, next up, I'm going to be taking, with this nice angled brush, it is from Morphe, the M139. It's really nice. I'm going to take the shade Belle, and then just put it a little bit lower. See if that makes a difference. Okay, I'm going to be taking this brush. It is from Real Techniques, and it is base shadow brush. Looks like this, a little thinner than the M139 from Morphe. So I'm just going to define it with this, it's called Duet, not sure, this brown. And just put it in the outer V. So deepen up that crease. Now I'm just going to be taking this brush. It is from Wet n Wild. It's their silver line. Really nice. And I'm just going to blend all of that with no extra product on the brush. I think I'm going to be taking Squad right here. Oops, right here. Didn't do much. So next up, I'm going to wet it. This is just the Coconut Rosé, not rosé. It's Coconut Rose Hydrating Face Mist. I don't know why I said rosé. Like, who am I? But I did. So I'm just gonna take it and wet this. Oh yeah. See? It's giving me that rose gold vibes. I'm also going to try it with my finger just to see if it makes a difference. Yeah, look at that. If I was tan and had like this inner glow, But right now, I'm just like milky white. Just milk, I mean, honestly. Well, maybe not milk, maybe like almond milk. I feel like that has a tint. Yeah, you see how much nicer it looks? Okay, let's move this. Nice crisp line. So, eyes are looking good and peachy. Double Decker Lashes Mascara from Butter London. Let's see how this goes. The spoolie for this is like all over the place. My God, that is so many bristles. Okay, so most definitely volumizing. Yes, love it. Okay, all right, welcome back. I'm very disappointed in myself because I did not use these brushes that came in the package. I don't know what's wrong with me, but they are from the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set, and I said I was going to use everything in here but the eye gels. Did not use these. So I did actually pop on some false lashes. Are you guys feeling this peachy vibes? I'm pretty happy with it because usually I don't do that. Anyway, I did bronzing, some highlight. For my lashes, I did Demi Wispies. These are my favorite. And I'll do a little close-up of my eye. Smaller one. This is step 3. You go, girl. Start backwards. And I'm going to take this brown shade. It is Jouer. I will never say that right, so not sorry. Just put it really tight line. And then taking the next one, which I believe is step 1, called For the Money. Not sure how I'm supposed to follow that, but clearly I'm not. So I'm taking Belle, which is right here. And I'm going to pop that right underneath that brown. But honestly, if you guys are not subscribed, why? Why aren't you subscribed? This is freaking amazing. I mean, the way I talk about BoxyCharm, you think I'm sponsored. Although, if you're trying to BoxyCharm, you know where to find me. But no, seriously, I love them. Mascara for my lower lash line. Alright. Now, for some blush, since I already did some bronzer, this is Pretty Vulgar, and it's this shade Make Them Blush 111 Prim Vixen. The only thing about this, it's great and all, but I'm doing the whole peachy, bronzy summer vibes, and this does not give me that. I'm still gonna try it. Let me swatch it. Yeah. See, it's so pink, I feel like it's just not really gonna work. So, but I feel like it wouldn't really be a unboxing review video if I didn't do it. So I'm just gonna do it. But trick for that is, if you don't want something to be super bam out there, then definitely use like a stippling brush. I did use this for blush already. But yeah, a stippling brush would just give you a very gentle look. So let's see. Look at this. So, oh, not bad. Added a little pink. Honestly, okay, I like it. I'm sorry for doubting you. Okay. I'm just gonna stop right there because I feel like if I do go further, it's just gonna be a mess. So, as far as quality though, clearly very pigmented. Lastly, for the lippies, I'm gonna be using this coral theme again. So I'm gonna be using the Wen Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. I don't know. After today's peachy look, it's like, I'm obsessed. So creamy. I love these. Honestly, go get them. They're really nice. Again, Wen Wild. Next up, again, another Wet n Wild. I feel like it doesn't have a matte look to it already though. Let's see. Anyway, so let me just set all this goodness in. Again, taking my Mario Badescu Lavender Water. Have reached our final look. I'm so excited. Again, this was the March BoxyCharm Vacation was their theme. I love, love, love BoxyCharm. So this is again my finished makeup look. I went with a peachy theme. This is so something that I would do if I were to go on vacation, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this in mind. I was a little bit hesitant because I don't do peaches that often. It's just not a color that I go for on a daily basis, but after this makeup look along with this eyeshadow palette, you guys, I love it. So I'll just do a quick little close-up. It's awesome, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will catch you next time, and please like my video, subscribe, or all the above. Choice C is always the way to go, so all the above, please. All right, bye guys.